I miss you guys today. Our lesson for this recording is going to be working in Thrively. I can't wait to see you guys live tomorrow. It's going to be really fun. We're starting off class with a life hack. I'm going to show you how to make the best scrambled egg you've ever had. It's going to be a video of me cooking. Get excited. But today, while we're not together live, you're going to log into Thrively at this link. Your username is your student ID. The password is gcyber2019. And I'm going to email this link with the recording so that you can actually click on it. But when you get to, as you log in, you're going to have two options. You are either going to have to take your strengths assessment lesson here if you haven't already. And it's going to ask you some questions and show you a video. And once you complete the lesson, you will know because it says you've completed the lesson. Or you're going to do visualize your strengths. Whichever shows up first for you. You're going to complete one lesson today in Thrively. And I'm going to be able to go in and check that you did it, and you do get a 100 for participating and completing it. You do not get a 100, you get a 0 if you do not. So please log into Thrively today. You're either going to do Discover Your Strengths lesson or Visualize Your Strengths, whichever one shows up on the far left first. You're going to use this login information. Username is your student ID, password gcyber2019. Can't wait to see you guys tomorrow.